How to disable video assistant on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable video assistant on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find this one here, useful features, and now just click this one here, video assistant. If you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.